Alex is learning Python list. He stores a few items and tries to access one of them. Everything looks correct. He clicks run, but Python shows another error now. This error is called index error, and it means you are trying to access a position that does not exist in the list. Think of a list like a row of lockers. If there are only three lockers, you can open locker 0, locker 1, and locker 2. But what if Alex tries to open locker 5? There is no such a locker. Python feels the same way. Let's look at the list. This list contains only three items, and their positions are 0, 1, and 2. But Alex tries to access position 5. Python searches for index 5, cannot find it, so raises index error. The fix is simple. Use a valid index. Now Python finds the item successfully. Another common mistake happens inside loops. The list contains only three items, but the loop tries to access five positions. A safer approach is using the length of the list. Now the loop automatically stays within the valid range. Whenever you see index error, check these things. How many items are in the list? Which index are you trying to access? Is your loop going beyond the list length? Most index errors are caused by accessing position that does not exist. Alex checks the list length, uses a valid index, and then program works perfectly. Problem solved.